Hello everyone. So today is our last official lesson in quadratics. We're going to look at operations with polynomials. Some of this is going to be a review, so no worries on that, but some of it's going to be a little bit new. Adding and subtracting polynomials. So we're going to first start with adding. When you add, you're not going to add any exponents or anything. You're going to add just like we do. Like what's 3x plus 2x? You're going to add like terms. 3x plus 2x is 5x. And 1 plus 3 is 4. And that's how you're going to do this. You're going to make sure that you're adding the like terms, but you're not doing anything with exponents at all. Like 3x plus 2x does not become 6x squared or 5x squared. It just becomes 5x. For this next one, 5x plus 4x is 9x. Negative 2 plus 6 is a positive 4. And that's how you get that one. For the next one, we're still adding 3x squared plus 12x squared. It is not 12x to the fourth. The x squared stays the same. 3 plus 9 is 12x squared. X squared stays the same because we're adding, we're not multiplying. Then 7x minus 3x, and it's minus because it's negative, is 4x. 4 minus 11 is negative 7. And that's how you get that. Or then I want you to try the next one yourself. So pause the video and try it yourself. We would do 6x squared plus 4x squared. We only add like terms, even if they're in different places. 10x squared. 2x, there's nothing to add to that, so it's just 2x. And 1 plus 3 is 4. Now, when subtracting, we have to be a little bit careful because this subtraction sign negates everything in these parentheses. So this is like 2x minus 3x. So what I do is I always distribute the negative. And so I know this is negative and this is negative. So 2x minus 3x is negative x or negative 1x. And 4 minus 1 is 3. It's a positive 3. Now we're going to do the same thing for the next one. This negative is distributing to both the 4x and the 2, making this a negative 4x and a negative 2. So 6x minus 4x is 2x. Negative 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Okay? Now this one here, this negative is distributing to all of these, making it a negative x squared. This is already negative, so it becomes a positive 3x. And this positive 11 becomes minus 11. So negative 5x squared minus x squared is negative 6x squared, because there's a 1 there. Negative 2x plus 3x gives me a positive 1x, or just plus x. And 7 minus 11 is negative 4. Try to do this last one by yourself, so pause the video and try and do it yourself before I go through it. This is going to go to all of these. So I get negative 7x minus 3x squared minus 9. 8x squared minus 3x squared is 5x squared. 5x minus 7x is negative 2x. Negative 7 minus 9 is minus 16. So that's how you would go about adding and subtracting polynomials. Now multiplying polynomials we've already done. So if you have this, pause the video, try it yourself. This is all about doing either table method or foiling. I'm going to do both so that we can see both. So for this first one, I'm going to do table method, and then for the rest of these, I am going to foil. So for the table method here, it's a 2 term by 2 term. So I need a 2 by 2 square, 2x plus 1, 3x plus 4. 2 times 3 is 6, x times x is x squared. 3x times 1 is 3x, 2x times 4 is 8x, 1 times 4 is 4. We combine like terms, and I get 6x squared plus 11x plus 4. Now you might choose to do that the whole time, and that's perfectly fine, or you can foil. 5x times 6x is 30x squared. 5x times 3 is 15x. 2 times 6 is 12x. And 2 times 3 is 6. We combine like terms and get 30x squared plus 27x plus 6. For the next one, 2x times 7x is 14x squared. 2x times 4 is 8x. Negative 1 times 7 is negative 7x. Negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. Combine like terms. 14x squared, 8 minus 7 is 1, so plus x minus 4. Couple more problems. 4x times 5x is 20x squared. 4x times 3, negative 3, sorry, is negative 12x. Negative 2 times 5x is negative 10x. Negative 2 times negative 3 is a positive 6. 20x squared minus 22x plus 6. Remember, remember, remember to combine like terms. Okay, 3 more problems. 6 times 7x is 42x squared. 6x times negative 3 is minus 18x. Negative 1 times 7x is negative 7x. Negative 1 times negative 3 is a positive 3. Combining like terms, 42x squared minus 25x plus 3. For this next one, I'll show it to you as a table method for this one. This is a 1 term by a 2 term. So I need 1 by 2. 2x, x plus 3. X times 2x is 2x squared. 2x times 3 is 6x. We would get 2x squared plus 6x. This is also a 1 by 2, but instead of doing the table method, you can just distribute this to here and here. 4x squared times x is 4x cubed. 4x squared times 5 is 20x squared. All right. This is just a little reminder of how to do these. I know specifically we hadn't done the adding and subtracting polynomials, and it's always good to review how to multiply with polynomials. If you have any questions, please let me know, and you will be doing a quizzes assignment to go with this. Have a great day.